Hello everybody and welcome to the baking center of Les Safres International in the north of France. Today we will present you different recipes with the mixes of Les Safres. Here we're gonna do French baguette. For this recipe we will use traditional flour T65, boulangerie mix, fresh yeast and water. Let's go to mix. 1.5 kilo of traditional flour, 1.5 kilo of boulangerie mix, 75 grams of fresh yeast and 1700 milliliters of cold water. We're gonna mix for 3 minutes low speed and 5 minutes high speed. So the mixing is finished. Now, after mixing, we will leave the dough for 1 hour of bulk fermentation. After 1 hour, the dough of baguette is fermented and we're gonna divide it. For the French baguette, we will use 350 grams of dough. With the same dough, we can make some fougasse. For the fougasse, we will divide 400 grams. After dividing, we're gonna pre-shape the baguette. For the fougasse, we will make round shaping. Now our pieces are pre-shaped and we rest them for 15 minutes before shaping. So after 15 minutes of resting, we're gonna shape the baguette and then the fougasse. So, firstly, we are flattening the dough, both sides. Then we fold it, and then we fold it for the second time. After that, we will roll the baguette in order to obtain 45 to 50 centimeters. So after shaping the baguette, we will leave them for 30 to 40 minutes before baking. Now it's time for baking. We can see that our dough is fermented and it's ready for baking. We will use the blade in order to give 5 cuts. The baking time is 18 to 20 minutes at 250 degrees. So let's see the baguette after baking. Our baguette is well baked. And now we're gonna shape the fougasse. And now, before proofing, we are cutting the fougasse. And now, let's go for proofing. As you can see, with the boulangerie mix, we made some French baguette and some fougasse with the same dough. This product is specially designed in order to make French baguette and fougasse. And this is one of the easiest way to make these products. Now it's time for ciabatta recipe. So for the mixing, 1.5 kilo of traditional flour, 1.5 kilo of boulangerie mix, our fresh yeast, and 2 liters of cold water. We keep some water in order to add it in the end of mixing. The mixing time depends on your equipment and ingredients. After mixing, we leave the dough for 40 minutes of bulk fermentation. After bulk fermentation, the dough of ciabatta is ready for dividing. We're gonna use a lot of flour because it's sticky. We can observe that the dough is fermented and it's ready for dividing. Now we are going to proof the products for 30 minutes. Now it's time to bake our ciabatta. And now, without cutting, we bake them for 50 minutes at 260 degrees. Here we have the 3 products made by Boulangerie Mix: fougasse, baguette, and ciabatta with a little bit more hydration. So thank you for watching this video and see you soon. Bye!